that smart Alex on that piano is my flugelhorn got busted.
Your flugelhorn got busted? Ach, you have a right, Obedienzkaiserin.
My most expensive flugel, which was made by Maestro Strugel, this was a genuine Strugel bugle flugel.
That smart Alex is not to be trusted.
He has the flugelhorn gebusted.
We must report this to the magistrate. We have a wild man flying loose. We must report this to His Honor, Cobalt Heinrich Pingelfuß.
Fellow Krugenites, I fear, in self-defense, we must load up the Gumi gun.
Oh!
Load up the Gumi gun, load up the Gumi gun, load up the Gumi gun, we'll drive the pest away. Load up the Gumi gun, load up the Gumi gun, load up the Gumi gun, we'll drive the pest, and drive the pest away.